Welcome to Cook Master Tips. Today, we're making a 1-minute perfect chocolate mug cake in the microwave. It's quick, easy, and delicious. Let's get started. Ingredients: 4 tablespoons all-purpose flour, 4 tablespoons sugar, 2 tablespoons cocoa powder, 1/4 teaspoon baking powder, 3 tablespoons milk, 2 tablespoons vegetable oil, 1/4 teaspoon vanilla extract. Directions: in a microwave-safe mug, combine flour, sugar, cocoa powder, and baking powder. Add milk, vegetable oil, and vanilla extract. Stir until smooth. Microwave on high for 1 to 2 minutes, until the cake has risen and is cooked through. Let it cool for a minute before serving. Prep time, 5 minutes. Cooking time, 2 minutes. Total time, 7 minutes. Kcal, 400 kilocalories. Servings, 1 serving. Don't miss out on our latest recipes and cooking tips. Subscribe to our YouTube